Hey everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I have a fun Halloween themed pattern for you, a cute crochet bat. This easy bat pattern is perfect as a decoration for Halloween or even as an adorable accessory. Grab your yarn and let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your finger once, hold the end and again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops. Now grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we are ready with our slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and we will get ready with the foundation chain. Chain 15, 1, 2, 3, like that we will continue. Now I have completed 15 chains as the foundation. We will start with the first row. There we are going to skip the first 3 chains and work a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again work a double crochet in the next stitch here as well. After that we will work 1 double crochet increase into the next stitch, which means we are going to work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So we will work the first double crochet into the next stitch and work another double crochet into the very same stitch. This is a double crochet increase. Now we will work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. So work 1 double crochet into the first stitch here and another double crochet into the very next stitch. Again 1 double crochet into the next stitch and we will work a treble crochet into the very same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again go into the next stitch and complete a treble crochet first. And then work a double crochet into the very same stitch. Now we will work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet into the first stitch here and another double crochet into the stitch after that. Now work 1 double crochet increase into the next stitch, which means 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2. Then we will move into the next stitch and work another double crochet into that. Now you can see we are left with 1 chain. There we are going to work 1 increase into the last stitch. So work 2 double crochets into the last stitch, 1 and 2. Now we have completed the first row. And then we will start with the second row. There we need to chain 1 and turn the work like this and go into the very first stitch here and work 1 single crochet into that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Again work 1 half double crochet into the very same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. This is a half double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, then work a slip stitch into the base half double crochet here So we need to insert the hook into all 3 loops in the half double crochet and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops like so. With that we have completed a picot stitch here, and then we need to go into the very same stitch and work another half double crochet and 1 single crochet into the same stitch again. All these stitches together created a point like this, and then we are going to work 1 single crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next stitch and another single crochet into the stitch after that. Now start working a single crochet into the next stitch and then work a half double crochet into the same stitch, and we will create the point here as well. So chain 2 and go into the base of the half double crochet into all 3 loops here and work a slip stitch. Now work another half double crochet into the very same stitch and then a single crochet into the same stitch. Now we have completed the second point of the wing here. Now we need to work 1 single crochet in each one of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we will work a half double crochet into the very next stitch. And then a double crochet into the same stitch, and we will create the point here. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then we will work a slip stitch into the base of the double crochet here. So go into both the loops and create a slip stitch. And then we will go into the very next stitch and work a double crochet into that first. And then work a half double crochet into the very same stitch. Now we have created the point there as well, and then work 1 single crochet in each one of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, and then a picot of 2 chains. So chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the base of the half double crochet here. And then work another half double crochet into the very same stitch and 1 single crochet into the same stitch again. Now work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then we will create the last point here into the 3rd chain. So we will go into the 3rd chain here and work a single crochet and then work a half double crochet into the same stitch and then chain 2, 1 and 2 and a slip stitch into the base of the half double crochet and then work another half double crochet into the same stitch and a single crochet into the same stitch. This is what we have completed so far. And then we will work one slip stitch into each one of the next 2 chains here as well. So one slip stitch into the first chain and another slip stitch into the next chain, and then chain 1 and work one slip stitch in each of the next 6 stitches here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will go into all these 6 stitches and create slip stitches into each one of them. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And then chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to skip the first chain here and work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and again work another single crochet into the next chain, and then work a slip stitch into the starting point here, and then go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch there. Again chain 3, 1 2 3 and work one single crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches starting from the second chain, 1 and 2. Then again a slip stitch into the base stitch here, now we are going to work one slip stitch in each one of the next 5 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then chain 1, and then we will work one slip stitch in each one of the next 2 stitches here as well. So work one slip stitch into the first chain and another slip stitch into the very next chain here. This is what we have completed. And then chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we will use our yarn needle to hide the tail of the project. Just like that, I am going to hide the other tail as well. And this is what the final project will look like. Thanks for joining me in making this crochet bat. I hope it adds a fun touch to your Halloween decor. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more festive patterns. If you create your own bat, tag me with HiruHandmade Crochet so I can see it. And for exclusive patterns and extra support, check out my Patreon and see you in the next video.